Well, actually मैं बीमार थी almost एक महीने से, so I was unable to film anything, but now I'm back, so let's get start. Well, I have created this very subtle glam look by using all the products from Swiss Beauty. So this is one brand makeup. Let's see how I created this. So here are all the products from Swiss Beauty, including the face makeup as well as the eye makeup. मैंने facial base already prepare कर दिया है, so that will directly start with the video. So here I have taken Cover Studio from Swiss Beauty. It's a concealer palette including all the concealer shades as well as contouring shades. So I'll pick this concealer shade, like it's a nude beige shade. Well, I'm using my fingers because they all are my personal products. I have ordered them for myself only. I don't have to use them on clients. So yes, I can use my finger. With the help of Damn Beauty Blender, I'm blending my concealer, whatever I have placed under my eyes as well as around my mouth. As I was not well since past few days, so I have got few acne all over my skin, so I'm using this green color corrector all over my red acne just to cover them up. Again, I'm blending it with the help of Damn Beauty Blender. Well, contouring is my favorite part, so contouring के लिए मैंने ये contour shade pick करा है around my cheekbones, and I'm applying it both side of my cheekbones so that it will enhance my overall look. मैं अपना nose contour भी same shade से ही करूँगी, and I'm blending it around my nose. अगर आप एक बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली कंसीलर पैलेट देख रहे हैं तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट परचेज फॉर यू, बट येस दिस कैन नॉट बी अ बेस्ट परचेज फॉर ड्राई स्किन पीपल लाइक मी, क्योंकि इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी सी थिक ज़रूर है. आई मीन इफ़ यू आर इन ऑयली स्किन, this is the best purchase for you. Please go for it if you are into oily skin type. Blend it to upward direction for better result. Now I'm using this CC cream foundation from Swiss Beauty. It has got a pump to take the product out, like come on. Yes, so इसकी consistency थोड़ी सी sticky है. Personally, I don't like this product as a foundation, but yes, अगर आप dry skin में हो and if you can use it as a concealer. इसका formula थोड़ा sticky है, so yeah, you can see it like clearly. मेरे wrist और finger के बीच एक thin line create हो रही है, which I personally don't like at all. Foundation के लिए तो I would not recommend this to anybody. हाँ, but as you want to invest as a concealer, you can definitely go for this. So I'm blending all the products with the help of Damn Beauty Blender, of course. And yes, मैंने remaining product अपने neck area पे apply कर दिया है. You can see that. To setting my makeup, I'm using this oil control compact powder from Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 in the shade 03 Natural Nude. So I like this product. I mean, you like, it's a very lightweighted product. Just wait, I'll show you. Brush कहाँ गया? Yeah, here it is. So with this help of brush, we will take very small amount of compact. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लेना, otherwise it will look like एकदम white. So थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट लेंगे हम and we'll apply this जहाँ भी हमें you can say concealer apply करा है, जैसे under eyes and around the mouth, upper nose, and makeup set करने के लिए all over face. So here is my favorite and warm product, Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter in the shade 04. The quality of this product is amazing. Actually इसमें आपको highlighter और blusher एक साथ मिलेंगे, so आपको पहले blusher apply करना है, उसके बाद highlighter apply करना है. No, you just have to put the shade on your cheekbones and you are good to go. Only one swipe and you can see the difference. See. It is Swiss Beauty 9 shades of eyeshadow palette in the shade 01. You will get all the glitter shades as well as matte shade in this product. it's a must buy if you are a beginner. This product is amazing, very much pigmented and lightweighted, so good. After taking a very nude shade for base, I'm taking this brown shade at the outer corner of my eyelids. Here is the cherry on the top product, like I'm talking about Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow in the shade Molten Midnight 06. I mean, you can see it. One swipe and you are done. I'm just taking one swipe on my upper eyelid and इनके glitters इतने stunning है that I can't tell you. Just see the result. Here it is. No chunky glitters, no hard particles. It's a great product. Here is a great disappointment from Swiss Beauty. It's their mascara. ये mascara मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. I mean, it's a great disappointment from a brand like Swiss Beauty. How can you produce such mascara? I mean, it's not waterproof. It's very much watery. It will fall on your whole base apparently. See? No, thumbs down to this. Never mind, here it's a mind-blowing product from Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner. You can see यहाँ पर eyebrow product है, and under this here it's kajal. So it's a great product. I mean, I'm getting this small brush along with this. So I'm doing my eyebrow first, like this. Yes. Now I'll take very less amount of kajal. I mean, I'm not really a kajal person, but yes, I like this product so much, so I'll use their kajal. And I love it. I just love this product so much. Here is a great purchase from Swiss Beauty. Is their lipper in the shade 222 Hot Nude. See the product. It smells so nice. Wow. And I just love this product. Actually, मैं हमेशा ही न्यूड शेड्स ही देखती हूँ. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दिस प्रोडक्ट आई वाज लाइक, डूड, आई वांट दिस. एनी विच वेज आई वांट दिस. एंड इट टर्न इनटू अ ग्रेट इन्वेस्टमेंट, आई कैन टेल यू. मतलब ये इतना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. मैंने इसे कैरी करके ऑलमोस्ट 7-8 आवर्स बहुत कुछ खाया पिया. आई मीन कॉफ़ी, स्नैक्स, मील्स, बट इट वॉज लाइक एज इट इज़. जब तक मैंने फेस वॉश नहीं करा ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं गया. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. We have reached to an end of this video, so I'm using this makeup fixer aloe vera with vitamin E. I'll spray it all over my makeup from, of course, a distance. इसकी smell थोड़ी सी weird है. I mean, yeah, but it's okay. If you're a beginner, you can give it a try. I'll just come back after changing. Here I am, final look, and of course with the review of Swiss Beauty products. If you guys do agree with me, do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is Looks by Yesha. We'll meet up soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.